Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect iZotope Nectar to Premiere Pro for vocal mixing step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Select the audio clip containing the vocal track you want to mix. In the Effects panel, locate the Audio Effects folder. Search for the Essential Sound panel in the window menu if it's not already open. Drag your vocal clip into the Essential Sound panel. Select the clip and designate it as Dialogue in the Essential Sound panel. With the Dialogue category selected, look for the Apply Custom Setup option. Click on that to open the dialogue-specific options. Now, locate the Track Mixer panel from the window menu. In the Track Mixer, ensure the correct audio track is selected for your vocal clip. Next, you will need to install iZotope Nectar if you haven't already. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the iZotope website. Download and install the iZotope Nectar plugin by following the prompts. Once installed, return to Premiere Pro. In the Track Mixer, find the effects rack for the vocal track you are working on. Click on the first empty effects slot and select Audio Plugin from the drop-down menu. From the list of installed plugins, choose iZotope Nectar. The Nectar window will open automatically. Now, select a preset that fits the style of your vocal track. Make adjustments within Nectar to tailor the mix to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the settings, close the Nectar window. Play back the track in Premiere Pro to listen to the effects in action. If further adjustments are needed, reopen Nectar to refine your settings. When you're happy with the sound, ensure to save your project. Finally, render your project to finalize the audio mix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.